Hey guys, look at the water of Dolomite Beach. It's so clear. Oh my gosh, be careful. Hello guys, me and Kane, we're going to show you the Manila Beach. Sobrang ganda guys. And punta kayo dito ng big place because you are gonna enjoy the place at masasulit nyo ang picture kasi walang tao. Solong-solo nyo guys. It's so nice. Let's go. No, the beach here not allowed to swim. The water is crystal clear and the place is so clean kasi not allowed ng food and drinks.
Careful with your Marco.
Kasi nga nung nag-start ito, allowed ang mag-picnic dito. Kaya ayan, hindi na nila pinayagan kasi nag-iwan sila ng maraming kalat. If you're going to come here, just baba lang kayo sa Pedro Hill Station or jeepney Pedro Hill Station. Then lakad na kayo pupunta dito sa Baywalk, dito sa may Ross Boulevard. Andun yung gate niya.
Malinis pala rito.
We can't swim there. We don't have swimwear.
Bawal maligo dito, no?
Yes. Come here.
Wait! What do you want to do? What do you want to do?
I'm going to find it.
What?
Find it.
What? You're going to find something?
Yeah.
Like shells?
Yeah, I found the fish over there.
Okay. Hey guys, look at the water of Dolomite Beach. It's so clear. Oh my gosh, be careful. Look at the water of Dolomite Beach, guys. It's so nice. I know there. You see the bubbling thing over there? You can see there's fish there. It means that there's fishes. Whoa.
That is your side over
You see how clear the water here? The beach water. Oh my god. Here, this beach can't swim. They are still treating the beach. Wow. You can do that. Wow, so far. Okay, try again. Wow.
Can I swim over there on the beach?
No, cannot.
Why?
This is not allowed.
Why?
Because they are still treating the beach. It's still not, yes. It's not safe.
I'm going to get.
We're just going to Batangas, okay?
I'm going to get in the beach.
Beach in Batangas, we can swim there.
I'm going to get. Okay.
Okay, very good.
I'm going to find.
Let's try this. One. I'm gonna throw this, Oh, it didn't bounce. I want I don't know how they are doing the 2 bounces or 3 bounces. Let's try. Oh, there! I got it twice. Okay, one more time. One more time. Oops, not. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, there! Only 2. I want to try it 3 times. 3 times. Oh, I don't know if I can still do it. Oh, there you go. There's a nice building here. There, over there. Are you having fun? Okay, I'll take picture na. Enough for the video. Tay! Tara, picture tayo. Picturean ko kayo. Oh, mag-posing na.
Posing na. Oh.
Posing na. Okay. Okay. Oh, look at me. Come, look at me. Tay, ay harap ka muna dito, dali, before you play. 1 picture, 1, 2, 3. Go with tatay. Come on, go with tatay. Yes, 1, say, smile. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, okay. Ay, mas malayo tayo, maganda. Yung medyo malayo tayo.
When your heart is racing at the speed of light, and you feel like you got nowhere else to go. No, I hold you till the sun comes in the morning light. Yeah, I'll keep you safe, I'll never let you go. 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 I'll never let you go.
Again, better pumunta kayo dito ng weekdays like Monday to Friday, wag Saturday and Sunday kasi for sure maraming tao.